Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about how to take care of yourself and how to pamper yourself. Of course, if you're busy with your life, if you're busy with your career, if you want to achieve a lot, in that case, you cannot forget yourself. You will have to take care of yourself. For example, if you are a working woman and you are really focused on your career, in that case you will not get a lot of time to give to yourself. Once you are back from your office, you will be busy with your household work. The main purpose should be how to stay healthy. How should your skin stay healthy? If your skin is healthy, you really do not need any makeup. What you will need for the night routine is really very cheap. It's a quick method. It's proven to be beneficial. You will give the skin the natural ingredients. You will not be giving any chemicals to your skin. So let's start with the process.
So first we will tie our hair and secure it with a rubber band. You can optionally use a band also. Next step would be to use coconut oil. You can use any coconut oil. People do suggest to use organic coconut oil, but I generally use the coconut oil that is available in market, that is generally used for cooking purpose also. If the temperature is low, the coconut oil will tend to harden, so you can just scoop it out. Make sure that your fingers are clean and apply it on your face completely. Now rub your hands to make it warm and start massaging your face. Now in this complete routine, this is the most important step, that is the one with the coconut oil, because this is the time when your face is getting a full massage. Massage your neck, your shoulders, and you can already see that my eyeliner is gone, and generally I do not put a lot of makeup on my face, but I have seen people use coconut oil and the makeup just gets washed away. Next, use a foaming cleanser. I'm using L'Oreal right now. Just wash your face with the foam cleanser. And in order to dry your face, use a t-shirt, a soft t-shirt. I do not use towels because it generally tends to be harsh on your face and I get redness with the same. Next, you will use apple cider vinegar. Now, apple cider vinegar is acidic in nature. Just add equal quantity of apple cider vinegar and water in a container. Take out one layer of cotton and squeeze the excess amount of solution from it, and then start applying it all over your face. Once done, wait for maybe 2-3 seconds and then wash your face off. Dry your face using the shirt. Once done, I'll apply some honey. I will apply it all over my face. I generally use either honey or aloe vera gel. One day I'll use honey and the other day I'll use aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel that I use, I take it directly from my garden. Once you have applied the honey, just wait for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, you can do all your household work. And you can wash the face and pat it dry using the cotton shirt. Next step would be to apply some cream on your face. You can use any cream. You do not want it too dry or very oily. Once I have completely applied the cream all over my face and my neck, I put some extra cream around my eye area and the smile lines along with the lips, and I tap it on to my face. This is the final step in the routine. The last thing that I would do is tie my hair before I go to sleep so that the dirt from the hair doesn't come onto my face. Once done, I'm all set. Give your skin some time to adjust with the new skin routine. So if you have liked this video, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good night. Bye bye.